Hello and welcome to Travel with Chu and Mark. Well, good morning. We're on the NCL Dawn cruise ship heading to Amsterdam. We was under the impression we was actually mooring in Amsterdam. Anyway, it's turned out that we're not. We're mooring in Muden, I think it's called, something like that. It's literally just turned out of the sea into heading towards Amsterdam, and we're more there. So it's about a 1 hour Zoom trip to Amsterdam, or we might go locally. You know, we'll see what the Ubers are like, see if they're plentiful, see what it costs. We have done Amsterdam before, so at the moment we're not sure what we're going to do. So we might just pop up to the breakfast, and we've got about another hour of sailing, so we'll have breakfast, and then as we arrive we'll be able to work out what we're going to do from there. It's a lot busier here in this bit. There's a ship literally just behind us now, and there's another one over there, and then one there, look, and there we go. It's not such a good day, it's a bit murky. It's chilly, but I'm actually not freezing. We'll see how it goes. Now, let me know what you think about this. So Chu's just come out naked, so I thought I'd better not just show you that, but we'll just show you this, because we've obviously been on 2 nights now. We've slept okay, the beds are comfy, but thought I'd do a little bit of a bed inspection. And we've got a little bit of brown staining here and here, but then what the hell is that? I mean, would you accept that? I am going to leave the mattress out like that when we leave, so the cabin man can have a look, but there's a few stainings here. Some more staining on this, but obviously with them tipping it upside down, they're obviously aware of it. But the mattress itself's not too bad, but it's obviously that topper doesn't look very pretty, does it? Anyway, let me know in the comments, would you accept that? You know, it is a £5 cruise, it's not cheapy. Looks like we're arriving into port. I expect the buffet will be somewhat busier today. Literally in the next hour is when we'll moor up and most people will want to get off. See if we can find a table for 4. She's guarding that one. There's one. This is where we sat yesterday. There's somebody's jumper on it. Maybe that's in use. Right. 3 plates here. We've got cereals available, yogurts, some croissants. You're fine, no problem. Beans, potatoes, ham, omelette, eggs, some fruit. There's your tea and coffee station there, and some juices. Cheese and some salad. Toaster. Omelettes. That's bacon and sausage. Beans and eggs and pastries. Great. Yep. Fruit again, and then back to cereal, and that's repeated on both sides. On our trip to Amsterdam, we met this amazing guy, and he has the following message for you.
Hey everybody, nice to see you. And they literally bullied me into appearing just now. Like, dragged me out of the buffet as I was filling my face, you know.
Make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, do subscribe as well.
Literally took seconds to get off. Got off at deck 6, and then you walk down them jitties there. Trying to get your picture taken.
Good morning.
just caught the shuttle bus from the cruise terminal and bargained €15 return. So that was an absolute bargain, and it drops you off at a train station here, Amsterdam Sloterdijk, and then it's a €2 either on the metro or on the train. I've been told it's €2, so we'll find that in a second. And you just catch that train for the last 5 minutes to get you into Amsterdam itself. And we come back here, connect with the bus, and take us back to the ship. So yeah, €15. That was an absolute steal. And let's see how we go. We've got a good selection of bikes. Of course, Amsterdam is known for its bikes. And I mean, let's look at them. There's a few, isn't there? So we've just headed to the station now, and we'll figure out how we get to Amsterdam itself. So literally the trains leave every 3 or 4 minutes at different platforms. So we're led to 12:30 now, so we're led to platform 12 to try and catch the 12:33 Sprinter. So platform 12 is over here. So next customer. English. Right, so what, return? Yeah?
We don't have your return on it.
Amsterdam Central. And we're
28?
That's a big difference from what I said, isn't it?
What if we had a single in case we... You pay €1.50 per person extra for the single use.
So that's cheaper, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll do that then, yeah?
Go on then.
So you basically scan your ticket to get you in, and we're heading for number 6 now. Basically the train leaves from different platforms. It would have been more sensible in my opinion if it left from the same one, but now we're heading for number 6. Well, in 2 minutes, number 6. So it was €28 for the 4 of us return. So that's what, €7 each for the day. So it's a bit more than €2, but it's not a lot. She's looking stunning in her new pink coat today, isn't she?
Yeah.
Let me know in the
Do you
comments.
like my pink coat?
To the side, let people stand to the side, then people get off. Right, go in. What's the gap? Go on. Take a right, man. Go on, you sit next to your missus. So we've just got off the train. It only took literally 5 minutes, and now we've just got to go through here to get out. Yeah, that was pretty simple to get into Amsterdam. So yeah, we're right in the centre. Basically, the red light district's just over there, and we thought we were going to be over here to the left on the cruise, because some cruises can actually always get to there, so we was expecting to be there. We weren't expecting to have to do this train trip in, but it was not too bad. It was cheaper to do it this way than actually pay NCL's charges. Literally everybody that's walking now is on this cruise ship. You can tell that all the trains have just arrived with everybody off the cruise ship. There's your cheese.
Jesus.
Yeah. Get to sample all the old cheeses. Very nice.
Which other flavour is it?
Another one here, that one's alright. This one was a little bit plain. Oh, no, it was this one that was a bit plain, I think. Who's that? I like my cheeses. That was a bit. One. It's a bit broken up, you're not be able to stab nothing. There's a purple one there, look. That's nice. This is free. You don't need to go on an excursion to test your cheese. Just come in this shop. Well, actually, my favourite was that one. Got like a strong taste to it. A little bit of like a salt in it, quite nice. That's the best one. So, free cheese tasting here, and obviously, yeah, get to buy some.
I'm a light taxi.
And they also sell the jamon.
Pick a flower.
Come on, come on. Now I'm filming, start. It says don't touch, so my dad's touching it and messing about with it, so Mum tells him off. Come on, carry on. So we're in Pure Lust sex shop, and they've got a willy wall for you to have your picture taken in. Yeah, they're all little willies. From the train station, Amsterdam is just simple to explore. Walk around at your own pace, take a left towards the red light district, come back round to the right into the main square, and then come down the high street back to the train station. A simple walk, and you'll be able to explore all the shops, lots of tourist shops, and lots of cheese shops. You can test your cheese. Come back to the train station and you can hop on a canal boat and have a tour around all the canals. And we did that last time, so look back on our playlist. Yeah, you'll find that on the MSC Preziosa playlist on the channel. And we're getting off at Sloterdijk. Sloterdijk, what a name. So that was quite straightforward. You just look at the screens, and every few minutes there's a train, but they do go from different platforms, so you just have to find that relevant platform, and literally 5 minutes again. And then just tap your ticket on here and out you come. Straightforward. Oh, she was there. Yeah, easy peasy. And there's where we was when we got the ticket. So that's the train ticket, and I'll just get out the bus ticket. Did you touch it? Because if you touch it, it bloody stops. That's it.
I bet your dad will.
And then this is the bus ticket that will take us back to the cruise terminal. That was €15 return each. With a bit of luck, this is our bus that's coming to pick us up. Yep.
Come on, Jeff.
This is ours.
Forgot him. Come in.
He actually gave me 5 tickets, but there's only 4 of us.
Oh, well. That's okay. Yep. This is the one.
Well, that was super simple. The shuttle thing is easy. You just get it actually in the terminal, €15 each, and it's every 30 minutes back roughly, starting at 3:30. And we're now at what's it called? Felison Cruise Terminal. And we'll go and board the ship. There's another one in as well. So we've got another one in. We're just loading up the provisions for the next part of the cruise. And they've got the dog there to check that you aren't bringing anything you shouldn't be. There's more of the provisions for the next leg of the cruise. Right. Anyone know what this is for? I can tell you. It's to stop the little rats crawling on here and the rats getting onto the ship. That's what it's for. Fair old ropes, aren't they? So how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one of our day in Amsterdam. It was kind of an easy day. It's nothing strenuous there, and very simple to do, and much cheaper than the excursions on the ship. So if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and say hello in the comments. And remember, please do hit that subscribe button. It helps us out massively. And tomorrow, the next post will be on the Norwegian Dawn cruise ship. We are going to the speciality dining in the Teppanyaki. And that is a hell of a good show. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.